Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. Or if this is your first time, a very special welcome to you. Thank you for checking out the channel where we do all things beard related. We do lots of reviews of beard products or grooming tools. We do beard oils and balms and butters from small batch companies primarily. We'll also do some larger batch companies when I get the opportunity. But we also review other grooming products. We talk about heat brushes and combs and brushes for your beard and beard lineup tools and razors and straight razors, a lot of that stuff. Lots of tips and tricks for your beards. We do live beard trims, lots of other things. Special series. We've done recently a series where I've reviewed 7 different designs for masks that are face coverings that are more beard friendly for us guys. I've also done a series in the past where guys send in their pictures to me and they get featured in a video and I give them some styling advice. So I really kind of embraced the styling, trimming kind of aspect of beard care, along with taking care of your beard through using good products. Also have some more things coming up. So we're going to be doing a series with my friend Andy. It's called Grumpy Bearded Men, and that is just fun. We just turn the video cameras on and just hit the record button and just watch the magic happen. So we did a 90-minute session the other day. Got like 7 or 8 episodes kind of edited together, ready to share with you guys. So look for that coming soon. It's called Grumpy Bearded Men. Also have a big beard butter showdown coming. So lots of activity here on the channel. A lot more reviews, and I got another giveaway to come too. But today I've got a special announcement today, and that is from the Brio product group. I am the newest affiliate or ambassador for Brio. I really fell in love with the Beardscape. It is so quiet, so powerful, so versatile with all of the different attachments on it. Very well designed. So they also make the axis trimmer as well. So I'm going to be sharing you more about some of this stuff over the next few months. They're also starting to branch out into other care and personal care and hygiene kind of stuff with toothbrushes and all that stuff. Really cool attachments and accessories they have for these trimmers too. So hopefully I'll be sharing all that with you over the next few months. But once I signed up to be an affiliate, they said, hey, you want to do a giveaway? I was like, sure, let's do a giveaway. What do you want to give away? I thought it was going to be like some kind of accessory or attachment or something. They said, how about a Beardscape? And I said, oh, yes, please. That's a very nice giveaway. So we're going to try to make the best out of this we can. I don't typically do a whole lot of giveaways here on the channel. Just hadn't worked out that way. I did a few when I first started my channel, trying to build the following, but kind of been doing my own thing ever since then. But we're going to be giving away a Beardscape. I am asking you to do a lot. It's a big giveaway, so I'm asking you to do a few things here. Hopefully to make the most out of this for myself and my channels as well as for Brio. But you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here, Beards and Banjos. Also, the Brio product group has now started a YouTube channel. You want to make sure you're subscribed to that. You also want to follow us on Instagram, so Beards and Banjos on Instagram, and Brio, might be Brio for Life on Instagram. I'll put a link for that. They said you could either follow them on Instagram or Facebook. I'll put links to both of those in the description. So you need to make sure you're subscribed and following everybody. First of all, second thing is you need to make sure you put a comment here below that you are or want to be entered into the contest, the giveaway here. And then also you need to find my Instagram post about this giveaway and please share it and tag 2 of your fellow bearded brothers in that, and that will get you entered. So today is Thursday, September the 3rd. We're going to run this thing all throughout Labor Day weekend here coming up. And then so we'll cut it off Tuesday on September the 8th at 5 p.m. Eastern. So you got all of this weekend plus the business hours on Tuesday to get entered into the contest. I wish you guys the best of luck. And I appreciate you guys watching, and be looking for more to come from myself here on the channel and some more about some of these Brio products. All right, take care.